This is the DCD794. When you shake it around without a bit, it sounds like there's something loose in there. That's perfectly normal. I believe it's the ratcheting mechanism that causes it. The DCD799 also does that, and I don't have the 796 here in stock, but that does it as well. So stick a bit in there, tighten it up, and you're not getting that loose thing, that loose sound anymore, that rattling. So it's just perfectly normal, and I believe that's the ratcheting mechanism in the DCD 794, 796, and 799. And maybe there's more models that do that, but it's perfectly normal.